Hi my loves, welcome back. I'm your host Manvi. So today I'm gonna review all these new skincare products from Beauty of Joseon. I found a new Korean skincare brand to obsess over. I have loved their sunscreens in the past. That's why I wanted to deep dive and try more skincare products from them. So let's start with the ginseng essence water. It's made with 80% ginseng water in Dongi Bogam, which is a Korean herbal medicine book. Ginseng was known as Shincho, meaning the herb of gods. Hwang Jinni, known as the most beautiful woman of Joseon dynasty, used to use it as her bath water. Ginseng provides nutrients to the skin and it's also very hydrating. So if you want to give it a try, go for the mini, and then if you like it, you can go for the full size bottle. It's also very lightweight, so perfect for the summertime. Honestly, I find it like every other toner, but due to the effectiveness of ginseng in reducing and preventing the wrinkles, I wanted to give this a try. It's fragrance free, but it has a very natural earthy smell to it. Ginseng is supposed to be very expensive. I've seen it in K-dramas, so that's why I wanted to give it a try. Next is Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum. It has 10% ginseng root extract and 2% retinol, which makes it an effective eye cream in treatment of wrinkles. And spoiler alert, this is one of my favorite skincare products from them. Retinol acts faster than retinol and it's also less irritating. And I love the texture of this eye cream. It glides over my under eyes so smoothly and it's deeply hydrating. Doesn't make my eye area sticky. So if you're looking for a new eye cream to try, I highly recommend this one. This is so good. Kids are actually playing right outside my street, so you might hear them, but I like the sound of them. So I hope you don't mind it. So this serum has 63% ginseng root water and 3% snail mucin with mushroom extract and centella asiatica. Dry, oily, sensitive skin types. It also fades the pigmentation on your skin. Okay, now the kids are shouting. I don't know if mic is picking up. They recommend pairing it with their ginseng essence water to increase the effectiveness. Even though it has snail mucin, it's a very lightweight serum. You can use it in the summertime. Next is Beauty of Joseon Glow Deep Serum Rice plus Alpha Arbutin. This is my personal favorite serum. It gives a beautiful glow to my skin. It's infused with 68% rice bran water and 2% alpha arbutin. In Joseon dynasty, rice bran water was also called as beauty water because it's rich in amino acids and minerals. And alpha arbutin is one of the best ingredients to use in the summertime because it inhibits the enzyme tyrosinase, limiting the melanin production in your skin, hence illuminating your skin from within. That's why it's called as Glow Deep Serum, and it also clears the pores of acne causing bacteria, hence you get less acne breakouts. This has to be my favorite alpha arbutin serum. I love it. I also tried their glow serum Propolis plus niacinamide. This one is alright. I have tried better Propolis skincare products honestly, but since it has 2% niacinamide with 60% propolis, it might be better option for the summertime if you want to include propolis in summer. I love using propolis in the winters more than the summers. This is the calming serum green tea plus panthenol, and I think this is my second favorite serum because it has some really amazing ingredients like 50% green tea extract plus 30% mugwort extract, which is so soothing and hydrating on the skin, and 5% panthenol. It provides extreme relief on the skin that is damaged by sun and UV exposure. Feels so nice and cool on the skin, and if you work in the field, this is an amazing serum for you, especially for the summertime. So lightweight, so refreshing. Next is their Beauty of Joseon Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask. It has 30% Hinnam red bean extract, which absorbs the excess sebum from the skin and remove the dead skin cells, unclogging the pores. It's my Sunday pore care day skincare product. It also removes the blackheads and whiteheads. I love the spongy texture of it. It's so gentle and hydrating, not like those clay masks that dry out your skin starts feeling like it's gonna crack anytime soon. It doesn't do that. So when dead skin cells and sebum clog the pores, they tend to enlarge. That's why I love love to use it for my pore care day on every Sunday. And I'm not gonna talk about the sunscreens in details because I've already talked about them, which I'm gonna leave in my description box. These are the best sunscreen formulas I've ever tried. No wonder they were going viral, and because of these sunscreens I went on to try more of their skincare products. So to conclude, from their serums, I absolutely love their Glow Deep Serum, Rice Bran plus Alpha Arbutin. This is my absolute favorite. There's a bird outside now. And on the Propolis serum, you can skip on, honestly, but then again, it's my opinion, you know. And their ginseng toner serum is something that you can give it a try because it's like a new ingredient. So yeah, if you want to try ginseng, go for these two. I don't have any complaints, but I'm also not crazy about them. She's also not so crazy about them. And I will see you in my next video. Bye kitties. Next, you can watch my summer skincare recommendations and how to look good without any clothes.